Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, in this video I will share with you how to combine chapters into one file. Okay, for example, here I have chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. So I want to merge together all these three chapters. Okay, so before that, I like to share this information, okay, from the UTM thesis guideline. Okay, so if a chapter ended with an odd page number, a separate blank page should be added and counted, but the page number should not be printed. So in Microsoft Word, insert section break odd page under layout tab. Okay, so I will show you how to use these facilities in the Microsoft Word. Okay, so the first step you need to do is you need to double click the template dots. Okay, if you see here, I have the UTM thesis template .dots. So what you need to do, first you double click. Okay, when you double click the template, basically Microsoft Word give you the document docs. Okay, like document 16 here. So you need to save as first. Okay, go to file and then save as, and then go to the my thesis. Okay, my thesis, and then you rename this file as, for example, merge chapter. Okay, so make sure the format must be in docs. Okay, docs. Okay, and then you save. So now you have, okay, now the file now merge chapter.docs. Okay, so next, okay, if you see here, chapter 1 is the example chapter in the template. So what you need to do, you need to remove this chapter. So what you need, you just right click and then delete. Okay, literature review, right click, delete. Research methodology, right click, delete. Proposed work, right click, delete. And then conclusion and recommendation, right click, delete. Okay, okay, so next, so when you remove all the chapters, dummy chapters in the template, so now we want to insert our chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. Okay, so you select this references. Okay, references, and then you hit enter one time, and then you will see here a blank empty slot. Okay, you have empty slot here. So here is your list of appendices. So after your list of appendices, so you must have you must start with your chapter 1. So make sure your cursor at the top of this page after the list of appendices. So next, we want to insert the chapter 1. So go to insert tab and then object here. Okay, object, you click the drop down menu here and then you select the text from file. Okay, text from file. Okay, select text from file, and then Microsoft Word asks you where is the file. So we insert the chapter 1 first. Okay, insert. Okay, so all the content from the chapter 1, okay, move or export to this document. Okay, so now we want to do this instruction. Okay, so put your cursor at the last sentence in chapter 1. Let's say this is my last sentence. Okay, so what you need to do, you must insert section break odd page. So where is the section break odd page? So you go to the layout here, and then break, you select this. Okay, under the layout, break, section break odd page. Okay, so you select this one, and then you see here the section break odd page. So how to view this section break odd page? Okay, maybe in your computer you didn't see this. So how to activate this? So you go to the home, and then you see here the paragraph mark. So you can activate this, and then you will see here the section break odd page. Okay, so next you put your cursor at the next page. Okay, so go to the insert, object, text from file, and then you select chapter 2, and then you click insert. Okay, so move to the last sentence in chapter 2, and then the same thing you need to repeat, layout, break, section break, odd page. Okay, so now next chapter, chapter 3, insert, object, text from file, chapter 3, insert. Okay, so now we have chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and then here after the chapter 3, the same thing, you need to insert the break, section break, odd page. Okay, so you can delete this, delete. Okay, so make it reference at the top of the margin. So you see here odd page. Okay, odd page. Okay, and then odd page. So here you see here 15. Okay, so you need to change this 15 become 1, because chapter 1 must begin with the page number 1 Arabic. So you just double click at this page number. Okay, and then go to the page number, format page number, and then you click here. Okay, you tick at the start at 1, not continue from the previous section, but you must tick at start at 1, and then you click OK. So now you see number 1 here. Okay, you can close header and footer. Okay, so I want to show you example here. Okay, if you see here, okay, chapter 1, this one is chapter 2, this one chapter 1. The last page for chapter 1 is 3, but chapter 2 cannot start with the even number. Okay, every chapter must start with odd number. So that's why here you see 5. Okay, so where is the page 4? Okay, page 4 basically is the blank page. Okay, if you read this, the guideline again, if a chapter ended with odd page number, a separate blank page should be added and counted, but the page numbers should not be printed. Okay, so when we use this section break odd page, okay, automatically Microsoft Word will add blank page, but currently you cannot see the page 4 yet, but you only can see the page number, blank page number 4, when you print this document. Okay, but I can show you using the print preview. Okay, when you see, you click print preview. Okay, you see here page 2, page 3, so we have page 4 here, and then the page 2 start with the odd number 5. So this one basically page 4, but counted but not printed. So that's why we need to use this section break out page. So you no need to insert the blank page manually. Just use this section break out page. Okay. And then here also the same thing for the chapter 2. Okay, 3. Okay, chapter 2, 5. So chapter 3 cannot start with 6 because this one 5. So chapter 3 must start with the odd page number. So odd page number 7. So page number 6 will be the blank page. So how to see the page number 6? So you print preview. Okay, you see here chapter page 7. This one basically the page 9 but blank page. Okay, you only can see this blank page when you print this document or you print preview. Okay. Next, after you insert all the chapters and then you insert the section break out page, next you need to update the table of content. Okay, how to update the table of content? Okay, you just right click here anywhere at this the list of table of content, and then you click update field. So now all the page number and all the heading will be updated. Okay, so next go to the list of table. You just right click and then update field. So in this document I have 2 tables. And then go to the list of figure. Just right click and update field. So I have 2 figure in this document. Okay, and then the list of appendices I think I have. So just update field. So I have 3 appendices in this document. Okay, that's all how to merge the chapters into one file. So that's all. Thank you.